They kind of have a neat pattern of walking there, the feet. Very interesting birds. Keep our planet clean. That's what they do. They'll hang out around here for a few hours. They got chicken, milk, all kinds of stuff in that dumpster. I think it's fascinating watching them do what they do. I know he's thinking about going back down in there. I think he knows where I'm watching and he doesn't want to go down in there. There we go. See, he went down in there. You saw him. He'll come back out with a big old chunk of meat from that chicken, which is as good as dead to him. Didn't get anything out that time.